The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is gearing up to be Samsung's next big foldable smartphone, and leaks are already giving us a glimpse of what's to come. As we move closer to the summer 2025 unveiling, new reports suggest that Samsung is making some major changes to its flagship foldable device. This time, the Z Fold 7 might take heavy inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a sleek and ultra-thin model that was previously exclusive to China. This means we could see a refined, more compact design with slightly larger displays, making the Fold 7 one of Samsung's most premium foldables yet. Over the past few years, Samsung has followed a consistent launch timeline for its foldable devices. Looking back, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 was announced on August 10, 2022, and released on August 25, 2022. The Z Fold 5 followed the trend, being revealed on July 26, 2023, and hitting the market by August 11, 2023. Most recently, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 was showcased at the Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10, 2024. With this in mind, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is highly likely to be revealed sometime between July 20th and August 10, 2025, with an official release expected in late August. Samsung has made it a tradition to introduce its foldable lineup at Galaxy Unpacked, and 2025 will be no exception. If rumors are to be believed, we could be looking at significant hardware and software improvements, making this one of the most anticipated foldable phones of the year. Are you excited for the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Stay tuned for more updates as we uncover everything about Samsung's next big foldable flagship. One of the most exciting aspects of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its design and build improvements. Samsung has been continuously refining its foldable technology, and this year's model is expected to push the boundaries even further. Based on leaks, the Z Fold May 7th adopt a thinner and lighter form factor, taking inspiration from the Z Fold Special Edition that was launched exclusively in China. This means we could see a more comfortable and portable device while still retaining Samsung's premium build quality. Reports also suggest that Samsung might introduce a more durable hinge mechanism with fewer visible creases on the inner display. Over the years, one of the biggest complaints about foldable phones has been the noticeable crease in the middle of the screen. However, recent advancements in foldable display technology, such as UTG, ultra-thin glass, enhancements, could help reduce this issue, making the Z Fold 7 screen smoother and more seamless than ever before. Another major upgrade could be in the cover display size and aspect ratio. Previous Z Fold models featured a narrow and tall cover screen, which wasn't always ideal for one-handed use. If Samsung follows the wider and more usable design seen in competitors like the Google Pixel Fold and OnePlus Open, the Z Fold 7 could become significantly more practical for everyday tasks. This would allow for easier typing, better app usability, and an overall improved user experience when using the device in its folded state. When it comes to performance and hardware, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to feature Samsung's most powerful chipset yet. If leaks are accurate, the device will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Samsung's custom Exynos chipset in certain regions. This next-generation processor will bring improved efficiency, faster processing speeds, and better AI-driven optimizations, making the Z Fold 7 an absolute powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. Speaking of multitasking, Samsung is expected to enhance its software experience with One UI 7, which will be built on Android 15. The foldable experience is likely to be smoother than ever, with optimized app continuity, better split-screen functionality, and improved S Pen integration. Some rumors even suggest that Samsung might introduce AI-powered task automation, allowing the device to predict user behavior and adjust settings accordingly for a more seamless experience. Battery life has always been a major concern for foldable phones due to the larger dual-screen setup. However, reports indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could feature a higher capacity battery, possibly over 4,600 mAh, with improved fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. Samsung is also working on new battery technology that could increase energy density without making the phone bulkier, meaning users can expect longer battery life even with heavy use. Another significant upgrade could be in the camera department. The Z Fold series has traditionally used a slightly downgraded camera system compared to the Galaxy S Ultra lineup, but this year, we might see a major improvement. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a new 50MP primary sensor, a periscope-style telephoto lens, and enhanced computational photography, bringing it closer to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera capabilities. This means users could finally enjoy flagship-level photography on a foldable phone, making it a great option for creators and photography enthusiasts. With all these upgrades, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting foldable releases yet. But there's still one more thing that could change the game: pricing and availability. Let's talk about that next.